Dear students, detailed civil engineering courses like manual building design, STAT Pro, ETAP, SAP, Revit, AutoCAD, Primavera, P6 are available at Civil Engineering Shravan online application app. So download the application from the Google Play Store now. Each course contain 50 plus high quality video contents and free PDFs and exercises, and online certification will be provided after completing the course. Course will be available at 67 to 70% discount now and valid up to 6 months. Download civil engineering application now from Google Play Store, or direct link is available at the description of this video. Try to utilize this offer. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. And if you are not yet downloaded our application, please download Civil Engineering Shravan application from the Google Play Store, or else direct link is available in the below description of this video. If you are using iOS device, please search My Institute app in Google Play Store and use ORG code DTYUYX for logging of our application. In this video, I will explain you complete offers which I am providing behalf of the Ramzan. So, behalf of the Ramzan, we are providing huge 80 to 85% discount on all civil engineering courses in our application. The complete courses like STAT Pro, ETAP, SAP 2000, Revit architectural software courses are available in our application. So, I was already given some of the discount for the old students, but some of the new students are also asking me about the discount offers which is related to the courses. So that's why I'm providing huge discount on these particular courses on 30th of this month as well as the 31st of this month. From the 10 AM it will start. This offer will be completely only valid for the 10 students. Okay, so you can apply the coupon codes inside the courses of the particular STAT, ETAP, SAP, Revit architecture. So you will get the complete discount offer price for that particular course. So I was already developed the courses like 2-in-1 course also there, which is the combination of STAT Pro, ETAPs and ETAPs as well as the SAP as well as the Revit architecture software, and 3-in-1 packs also available and 4-in-1 packs also available. Previously I was given this particular single pack course for the 2000 rupees with 3 months validity. But the students, those who are registered under this festival, you will get for the 8 months validity with 1199 rupees only. Okay, previously I was given it for 3 months, but I am extending this to additional 5 months for the single pack. For the 2-in-1 pack, I was given this particular course for 3000 rupees previously, but I am giving this particular course for 2099 rupees. The previously validity of this particular 2-in-1 pack is 1 year, but in addition to the 1 year, I am giving extension for the 3 months, so that new students will be get for the 15 months validity. The 3-in-1 pack is available in our application with 3099 rupees, so which is the validity of 12 plus 6 months, which is approximately equal to 18 months validity, 1.5 year. And the 4-in-1 pack I was given previously for 5000 rupees, but behalf of this festival I am giving for 3999 rupees. Previously I was given for 1 year validity, but in addition to the 1 year I am giving extension for the 1 more year, so that you will get this offer for 2 years validity. So these are the offers I am providing in our application behalf of the festivals. You can utilize this offer. The offer will be available in our application from 30th of the March to 31st of the March. Try to use this offer and apply the coupon code inside the course. You can get the offer prices. And some of the students are also asking me about the live sessions. So in the mostly May or June, I am starting the live classes. The people, those who are purchasing the courses, previous students also, and the people, those who are purchasing the courses on this festival, you are also eligible for the live classes sessions. So the single pack course for the live classes for the new students will be having 5000 rupees from the May or June. So the fee structure will be increased for that particular live classes session for the new students at the time of May or June. So try to use this offer in this particular festival only, and try to access to your live classes also. The live classes cost will be more. At the time of the live classes, you can increase your skills by watching the recorded videos classes which is available in our application. So try to use this offer and try to increase your skills. And after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I will try to release Primavera P6 course, complete Primavera P6 course in our application. Try to use this course, increasing your skills regarding construction project management. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any queries about the courses and prices as well as the offers which I am providing in our application, please text me your questions in the below comment box, or else directly pin me to my WhatsApp number which is available. Thank you for watching these videos and see you in the next one.